Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is having an awesome day. So today we have unboxing Macy's discovery kit for her. Actually, Macy's always they have great sample size product. This is the product. You get 23 piece well-known high-end new launch fragrance. So we will unbox together what is inside. So let's get started. By the way, if you like unboxing content, fragrance, body care, skincare, empties, PR unboxing, everything, make sure subscribe this channel and let's get started. So right now I just checked for you Macy's website. This retail for $30. Actually, it's a good product for $30. You get to test 30 fragrance sample. So, and also they says gift with purchase, and it says like candle here inside. So let's see. We get nice pink color, and we get all the 23 piece of fragrance. Which one? We'll see, and which size. Oh my god, the first one I have never tried this before. This is Prada Paradox. I think it's new. I will open up for you all of it because I want to show you the size. Oh, this one is the new Prada. And guys, here the size you get. Usually the fragrance sample is not coming like a fully, it's like here. If you spray like me, I got through this 2 times, 5 spray. But if you're not like a heavy sprayer, you can use at least 5 times because of, So the first one, Prada Paradox. Second, Jimmy Choo Rose Passion. And here the product. The third one, Skyler Vanilla Sky. I need to be close. Classic Lancome La Vida de Rose. That one. And this one is, I think you get a little bit smaller size, some of them, Here the packaging looking like. One, two, three, four, five. Armani, Giorgio Armani, My Way. I have full size for this. They sent me PR last year and I'm obsessed with this fragrance. And here the packaging looking like. Also this year they have a new launch, Armani My Way. But this one is the recent year they just launched this one too. And yep, oops, sorry. And here the size you get. Armani My Way. We got Narciso Rodriguez for her. This one is really nice. And I think we get like here, small like. Victor Rolf Flower Bomb. So this one is kind of full size. I mean, it came with full, not like a full size. I wish. We got Versace Pour Femme, guys. This is the one. Like a floral. It's perfect. I need to adjust my ankle here. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Get 23, guys. Inside this, wow. So we are continuing. This is Bulgari Rose Goldia Blossom. Wow. You get to see lots of good product, here the packaging looking like. And this one is like more like a full. I had never tried Bulgari Rosia. And this is Calvin Klein Eurofio. Classic Calvin Klein packaging. Oh, this is Marc Jacob Daisy Flower. Here we are. We got Dolce Gabbana. Here we are. Can you see? Yes. Wow. We got Viva La Juicy Couture. I'm like, seriously, I didn't like this ankle on my camera. Oh, Givenchy Irresistible at the Parfum. This is Givenchy. And if you remember the bottle, I'm showing inside that way you can remember the bottle. Because sometimes I might forget the name, but when I see the bottle, yeah, I remember that. Good Girl Carolina Herrera. This one. And it came with, yep, almost full again. I want to show you, make sure how it's looking like. Again, this one is perfect for your purse, and also if you don't want to buy like a full size, even 30 ml, it's a great way to find your perfect fragrance. I mean, I was excited. I just checked, I think they are still available, but you know, they sell fast guys. This is Valentino Born in Rome. And here the Valentino packaging. And almost full. Oh, YSL Libre. Here. Yeah. Seriously. Everything is falling apart. Oh, we got also Cartier base roll. Wow. Let me see. Came with individual. And like this. Pretty full. I cannot wait for the wear test this one. This is Angel Elixir. It's a sugary scent. I remember this one. I have a couple of samples. If you want to remember, this one is Angel. Okay, also Alien Muggler. Here the Alien Muggler bottle looking like. It's beautiful. I cannot smell anything. It's really packed well. So it's Ralph Lauren Beyond Romance. Let me open this. And here, pink packaging, Ralph Lauren. And we got also Coach New York White Rose. Lots of rosy scents I'm getting. And this one is also nice bottle. And here almost like a full, this one. Coach, never try. And Valentino Vosa Vici Viva. Here, the packaging, and this one is a little bit like smaller kind of. Let me compare this some of the like a full. They see individual. They came, for instance, Cartier. Is it the same? When I compare, almost. Maybe this one is more full. Depends on production. Depends on the company too. So this is good. And lastly, guys, they sent us free with a candle. If you see the pictures, candle pictures, you will see like, wow, I'm gonna get a candle. This is the candle you will receive. Smallest candle I have ever had. The Ritual Sakura. It's so cute, like small, like that. You know, I like that. Maybe for your, I don't know, bedtime. So, what do you think about this fragrance sample? We get like 23 sample to choose from. I think it's a great deal. Still available. I just want to unbox. Make sure you like this video. I think today I want to do one more video. Finally, I can do my empties. So see you soon, guys. Bye.